Thank you for your interest in Rutgers School of Nursing. This tutorial will walk you through how to complete the undergraduate admissions application portal to successfully apply to the 2+2 program located in Blackwood, New Jersey. If you are a new applicant and have no previous Rutgers University affiliation, you will need to create a community ID to proceed with your application. If you are a student who has applied to Rutgers University in the past but never previously enrolled in a program or school, you will use the community ID previously associated with your former application. If you are a student with a previous Rutgers University affiliation, whether that be as a re-enrollment student or a student with a previous Rutgers history, you will need to continue using your NetID to apply to the program. Now that you have successfully began your Rutgers University application, you will need to complete various questions to submit your credentials for review. We will begin by reviewing the application selection portion. When you get to the level of application, please select undergraduate as your student type. As you move on to the applicant type question, please select the summer 2027 term as the semester that you are applying for. As a reminder, the 2+2 program at Rutgers School of Nursing in Blackwood does not accept students for the fall or spring, so you must select the summer term in order to proceed. Once you have proceeded with these questions, you will then select that your applicant type is a transfer student. Upon completion of these questions, you will then move into the applicant status. As a student with no previous Rutgers affiliation, you will select the answers that you see in front of you, know that you are currently enrolled in a degree program at Rutgers, and know that you were previously enrolled in a degree program at the university. In the event you are a re-enrollment student applying to the program, you will need to select yes to the answers to these questions. As you continue with your Rutgers University application, you will next move on to the enrollment information section. As you can see, information from the application selection area has pre-populated into the first two questions of the enrollment information part of the application. As you move on to the college credits questions, you will see that there are two questions in front of you. The first one asks the number of college credits completed through post-secondary institutions. Please respond by selecting 60 to 119 credits earned. To answer the second question, have you already completed or do you plan to complete a college degree before enrolling at Rutgers? You will select no. We have now moved into the final area of the undergraduate admissions application, which is the transfer program selection area. In order for the 2+2 program to populate, you must select the following values. When you see the school first preference under the Apply for Admission to Schools or Programs section, please select Rutgers at Camden County-Blackwood. Upon selection of this, you will see a primary academic interest field appear. Please select Nursing, BS in Nursing, as your academic choice option. Once you proceed with this selection, please continue on with the rest of your application.